Watch carefully, dance of nature, blooming flowers, buzzing bees, scorching sand, glaciers freeze. For millions of years, this scene, still lively, unchangeable, serene. In midst of this, our lives, is there any difference you can see? Soaring ambitions, relentless desires. I'm just a tiny droplet, ready to fall. In the ocean, coalesce in vastness after all. Ego says, I'm special, look at me. Glorious, uniqueness is my key. No, my friend, observe this trend. Millions have already lived such life, yet thee get involved in strife.